Hello, and welcome to our demonstration on how to use the ePower at home. In this video, we will discuss how to set up and use the ePower. When used as directed, the ePower is extremely safe and effective to use at home. First, let us discuss how to set up your ePower machine. Make sure the machine is sitting on a flat surface and is securely plugged into an outlet. The ePower belt should be fully connected to the machine. A maximum of 2 ePower belts can be connected to one machine as it operates. Each person who wishes to use the ePower must have their own belt. There is no benefit for one person to wear more than one belt. While using the ePower machine, we recommend wearing loose, thin clothing made out of natural materials like cotton or linen. It is important to remove all metallic objects from your person, including jewelry, hats, head coverings, watches, glasses, keys, money clips, and belts. Also, be sure to keep any electronics, including cell phones, laptops, and tablets, away from the machine while it is in use, as the ion field can affect personal electronics. Please note that medical implants, like titanium rods, screws, silicone breast implants, and dental fillings, will not create an interference with the ePower's ion field. Only external metallic objects can affect the ePower's ion field. We recommend placing the ePower on a surface that is made out of wood or plastic. Too much metal can interfere with the range of the ion field. The same goes for the piece of furniture you will be sitting on or laying on. Please make sure that your feet are not touching the ground, as this can create a closed loop, preventing you from properly absorbing the ion field. Once you are set up correctly, using the ePower is easy. Simply affix the belt around your waist or thigh. Alternatively, you may choose to lie on top of the belt while laying down horizontally. Once you're comfortable, you will set the amount of time that you want to run the machine, as well as set the EPA settings. Then you turn it on and enjoy. Here are some other important notes about using the ePower. The ePower may be used up to 2 times a day, 1 hour per session. Any longer and the machine will not have an effect. Your ions have already been balanced. You will not feel an electric shock, tingling, or static while using the machine. The ion field created by the machine does not create any visual or auditory effects. We suggest using the machine's ePower tester pen to find the boundaries of the ion field. 3. How to use the ePower tester pen. While the machine is turned on and you are wearing the belt, take the tester pen in hand and point it at the connector where the belt meets the machine. The light on the inside of the pen will light up. Carefully pull the pen away from the machine. As it begins to dim, this will indicate the boundaries of the ion field. This technique allows you to see how wide the ion field is and where you should sit inside the ion field. If you are having difficulty finding the boundaries of the ion field because the light on the tester pen is too dim, ask someone else to use the pen while the machine is on, as the pen will be brighter. 4. When you are using the Energy Wand accessory, make sure the tail end of the wand is securely connected. The grounding rod should be on the floor. Do not pick up the rod, or this will prevent the wand from working correctly. Thank you for watching this program on how to use the ePower safely at home. As always, you can contact us here at the HTE Customer Service Department with any questions.